I plant my own lemongrass. See, they just grow so big already. So I'm just gonna cut one or two today to cook something nice. Look at that. One. Okay, just two big ones. Alright, I don't like to waste all the organic stuff, so the salad leaf, I'm just gonna cut it here, leave it in the garden to become fertilizer later. So now I got 2 stalks of lemongrass. So nice. Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook lemongrass salad. Lemongrass salad is quite popular in Thailand. A fresh lemongrass really has a very nice aroma, especially when it's fresh from the garden. It will be even better. I have 2 stalks of lemongrass, half of tomato, half of the yellow onion, about 3/4 cup of minced pork. You can use minced chicken or you can use prawns, it's okay. About half a cup of roasted groundnut, some cut spring onions and Chinese parsley, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a clove of garlic chopped, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 red chili cut into stripe, 3 pieces of bird eye chili, red and green, and 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce. I like to start off with cutting the lemongrass first, and then we can go and cook the minced pork. Alright, I have washed the lemongrass, and then I got 3 stalks here. So got the one tiny stalk here. So, and I also have another balance of the piece, and I'm not throwing it away. So I'm just going to put it aside first. And so how I cut the lemongrass, I'm going to cut it like that. Slightly big. Okay, I got this much of the lemongrass. Just put it aside. Put it aside. And then for this balance of the lemongrass, I'm going to use it to cook with the pork. So we're going to use this one to cook with the pork, so we have the nice aroma of the lemongrass on the meat. Heat the pan, and I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of water just to wet the pan, and then I'm going to put in the lemongrass. Right, the water is boiling and has a very nice aroma of the lemongrass, and I'm going to put in the meat. Put in a pinch of salt, not too much, we don't want it to be too salty. I'm going to cover the lid, just cover it for about 1 minute, let it cook properly. Alright, very nice aroma of the lemongrass with the meat, lovely. Alright, it is cooked. Now I'm going to switch off the heat and then remove the lemongrass stem here, and then we just take only the meat. Now it's time to make the salad, so I'm going to go ahead and put in all the vegetables, yellow onion and tomato, put in all the meat, the garlic, lemongrass, all the fish sauce. Basically we're going to put in all the ingredients, sugar. For the lime, I'm going to put in just half first. I don't want it to be too sour. In case it's sour, then it's hard to rescue. Chili, and basically everything except for the peanut. So now we just mix it. Oh, wow. It looks so nice, so colorful. And the lime put together with sugar and chili and fish sauce. Wow. It's so appetizing. Okay, that's it. Now I can taste it. Let's take the sauce. Wow, so delicious, very appetizing. It's lovely. It's enough spicy, enough sour, and enough sweet, enough salty. Everything. So now I'm going to put in the peanut. Don't want to put all, and maybe I just put all the lime. It's okay to take in a little bit more sour. That's it. Can't wait to eat. Do you know that the lemongrass can be eaten raw and it has a very nice aroma and fragrant, but you must have a good set of teeth because it's a bit hard. You need to chew it. It's very nice and it's very good for digestion. Right, let's try. So I'm going to take a lemongrass one. Wow, it's so delicious and appetizing. The lemongrass is so fresh and it has a very nice aroma, plus the spicy, the sweet, the sour and the salty taste of the salad. Lovely. I could eat the whole plate by myself. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more of my easy cooking video like this. Thank you and bye bye.